Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to buy Robux using your PayPal account. And this is super fast and super easy. So first, open your Roblox, then log into your account. Click on the Robux icon at the top of your screen. Choose Buy Robux. Next, choose how much Robux you want to purchase. There are several options, just pick the one that fits your budget. Now scroll down and choose, okay, yes, I'll choose this one. And simply select PayPal. You'll be redirected to log in your PayPal account. Just enter your email and password and confirm the payment. When it's done, your Robux will be added instantly to your account, and that's it. I really hope you found this video helpful. If it did, make sure to leave like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will never miss another guide.